I'm Barbie Wong, and I am going to show you how to do chunking on your ukulele. It's one of the most fun things to do on the ukulele and can actually seem very impressive, but also quite easy. So your left hand is just on your strings, pressed down slightly. So it's literally just touching your strings. And then your right hand strums. So if you press down too hard, you're going to hear this. So if you hear that, that means you need to lighten up. If you don't press down hard enough, you'll hear this. So you want just the right amount of pressure on the strings, and it looks just like this. Just that much. So with chunking, you can do so many fun percussive things. And once this is amplified, it can be spectacularly fun. So I hope that helps you figure out how to do chunking and that you explore all sorts of different kinds of rhythms. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you live from the heart and play with joy.